Well, hello there, YouTube. Good Sunday evening. It is 6:41 p.m. In this early September time of less than 30 degrees out, which is wonderful. This morning, we had our twice or three times a year, like community grass cutting. I guess it also depends on the weather. So got up at 4:30 to do that. Didn't Had a bunch of errands to run yesterday and today, and a lot of work packed into those 2 days because we had a typhoon come through. Well, we didn't so much as Kanto and places south of us did, but that still led to a lot of rain around us, which makes doing the stuff I need to do hard. So, no interesting footage for this week. Next week is probably not going to be very interesting either. If I have nothing, I'm going to try, if work schedules allow, to put together a Japanese culture video. Probably not super interesting to people who aren't living here, don't want to live here, but we there's some things that are helpful to know living in the countryside, and I thought I could do some videos on that when I have. That was my winter plan to begin with, but yeah, that didn't happen. Um, so yeah, please forgive the lack of farming. I've been trying to upload shorts here and there with cute local animals where possible. The guys this morning from the neighborhood, we have in Japan, things are divided into what are called han. So you have an area, and then within that area, there are several han. And the people from our han got together to do our designated section of grass cutting. Everybody in the village basically did it. Well, I don't know if that's true. Everybody in our area of the village did. I don't know if they do different days for different people, but when we were driving, I noticed some other places not near us cleaned up too. So I don't know. Maybe it's more regional. But they have seen boar and bear coming down, and I don't know how close, but a bear has been seen, and multiple boar apparently have been seen. We went out for dinner 2 nights ago, and for the first time in forever. And taxi driver was taking us home. He asked when we pulled up if we'd seen any wild boar out there, and I thought, just making conversation or whatever. But apparently there are boar around Inoshishi. So yeah, I'm going to be tilling the cucumbers, the ground type of cucumbers that I haven't had. We have too many cucumbers, as I've mentioned maybe multiple times. So I'm going to just till those under. Maybe it was boar that had been nibbling on them before. I definitely don't want bear. I'll take the ones that are in one piece enough to put on a compost pile, and I'll put those out on the compost pile. Everything else I'll just till under. So yeah, next week we have an event, so it's going to be difficult to produce much content. But like I said, I'll try to get a culture video out if nothing else. No promises on that. I also have an exam I need to take coming up, and just working 2 jobs. Yeah. So thank you as always for watching. We've been Homestead Japan. I've been Jay. Please do give us a like and a follow if you would. Peppers are still on sale. We still have plenty. Rokujuno.com. It's in the channel's links in the About Us section. It's linked on the last couple of videos as well. So, if you are in Japan, we cannot ship internationally. Laws about food safety and not potentially destroying entire ecosystems. How dare they? Perfectly reasonable. But yeah, if you are in Japan, full English support for ordering and everything else, we would very much appreciate your order. You can be one of the first, and that would be great. I hope you all have a great rest of your week, and see you later. Bye.